Hello everyone. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you kind of our Canvas page and how things are set up, and kind of the overall feel for this page. So when you click on the home page, it'll bring you basically directly to here. Let me put it in student view so it should be exactly what you see. So there's a couple of things here that you'll notice. First, you'll see my first announcement that will pop up. The first three announcements, or the latest three announcements, will pop up directly right here. Hang on, let me plug my laptop in. Okay, so just a couple of things that I wanted to point out here. First, this is the main page that will pop up every single time. And so there's like a little kind of start here thing. There's a little liquid syllabus and another little video, some kind of little details about the class, and then how to get in touch with me. So my email is linked directly right here. There's my cell phone number, which you can use. And then I'll be holding both virtual and in-person office hours during the same time. So Monday through Wednesday, or Monday and Wednesday from 12:45 to 1:45. So that's right before our class, actually. But my office is just one floor up from where our classroom is, and it's room 623. But if you, for whatever reason, can't come to campus that day, you're welcome to click on this virtual link here. I also have some other helpful links. These are also linked in various parts of our Canvas page, but these might be useful to check out. Of course, our syllabus and our schedule, but some other useful documents and resources. And this little fun one here that I don't think really gets talked about often enough. And that's scholarship opportunities and internship opportunities throughout the whole college. So if you need some money to help you out, do consider looking at those links. Then also, you'll notice here on the right-hand side, there's two links in the to-do. There should be more, but so it'll show announcements that pop up and also assignments that are due and when. You can also click on the view course calendar, and it'll take you to the due date, or you can go to the due date and see what's due that day. And then you can also go to the assignments tab. That's where all of your upcoming assignments will be, when they're due, how many points they're worth, and then you'll notice here that there's some things that are not available until a certain time. This is just my projected time on giving out these assignments. Also, you'll definitely very heavily be using the modules button here on the upper left side. So once you click on that, that will kind of bring you to the main page where all of the information that you'll need will be. So I have things set up in various modules. First, this first module here, notice how it says must view first. You have to complete all of these items, or look at all of these items in order. So you're going to start with instructor information and communication policy, then you'll go to getting started, and then to successful learning, etc. And you should be able to click next, the next button through everything. And then once you've done that, then you'll be able to complete the first week's assignments. So there's kind of four main things. We have a syllabus quiz, an anonymous text survey, a get-to-know-you discussion board, and pre-assessment questions. I'll go over these in a bit more detail, perhaps on the first day of class or the first lab session, but they're all very quick, just kind of, those first week sort of situational questions there. And then below that, you'll see the projects module, and then below that is where you'll see our course material broken down into 4 different units. And I'll be real direct. This is my first time actually breaking up this course into units. Previously, I've broken it up week by week when I used iLearn, but now using Canvas, I think it might be perhaps beneficial to just break things up by unit. But first, we'll start with the basics. Kind of a decent little overview here of the course or of the section in general. I'll post all the lecture slides here, and then any of the assignments, whether it be discussion boards, homeworks, or lab activities, will all be posted here as well. Same thing for every single unit here. If there's any need for extra like videos or tutorials or anything for lab activities, I may create a separate lab resources module. Haven't really fully decided yet, but we'll figure it out as we get there. What else? Let's see here. So some other things you might notice, you'll see it says Zoom here. So in previous classes, in most recent semesters, I've kept a Zoom option with the class, and I found that there's really low student engagement with that. So I'm not, at the moment anyway, not going to have a Zoom option as well as an in-class option. It does make for a lot of extra work for me, but if we don't need to use it, we're not going to. Of course, if things happen and we need to do like emergency Zoom classes, and we can, it is an option, and I'll give details on that if needed. Oh, look how all these assignments now popped up here on our to-do list here on this side. So take a few moments to get yourself acclimated with this page. Like I said before, every instructor sets things up a little bit differently, so I want you to get yourself comfortable with our page, and then how we'll turn things in. I'll show how to do that as well in future videos. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.